1 Minute Ukrainian, Lesson 2.
Привіт! Hello, everyone!
Welcome back to 1 Minute Ukrainian, where we're teaching the basics of Ukrainian 1 minute at a time. My name is Mark.
And I'm Oksana.
Last time, we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson, we'll learn some useful words in Ukrainian which you'll use every day.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. In Lesson 2, you'll learn 4 words and phrases which take you far in any language. The first of these is the word for yes. Oksana, can you teach us how you would say yes in Ukrainian?
Так.
Repeat this again after Oksana.
Так.
One more time.
Так.
Good. Now, what word goes with yes? No, of course. And in Ukrainian, this couldn't be more simple. The word for no is...
Ні.
Listen again and repeat after Oksana.
Ні.
It's always useful to be polite and to create a good impression. Oksana, can you teach us the Ukrainian word for thank you?
Yes, in Ukrainian, thank you is дякую.
Let's hear that again slowly.
Дякую.
One more time.
Дякую.
And if someone says thank you, it's very natural in Ukrainian to answer.
Будь ласка.
This is similar to saying you're welcome in English. Listen again to this phrase.
Будь ласка.
Try repeating this one more time.
Будь ласка.
That's almost us for this show. For now, let's say thank you and goodbye.
Дякую, до побачення.
Дякую, до побачення. This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.